My first grade teacher, if I was to go back to my elementary school, the same exact information that my first grade teacher was teaching me over 20-something years ago when I was in first grade, she's still teaching that curriculum today. You get what I'm saying? That's how you teach, because individuals are not just going to grab it one time and it's just stuck to them. We are trying to reprogram. The brain is a computer. The brain is the CPU of the body, the central processing unit. If you know anything about computers, the central processing unit of the computer is what stores all the information. Without the central processing unit of the computer being programmed the correct way, you can't get none of this AI technology. You can't turn on your social media. You can't get on your Instagram accounts and your YouTube and watch videos. When you get on YouTube and you search something, that search engine has been programmed to show you whatever you're searching. Do you know why you are seeing whatever you're searching? Because the search engine has a brain. But in computer terminology, it's not called the brain, it's called a CPU, central processing unit. So if you can understand that that's how we created the computer, and we made it a reflection of the brain, a replica of our actual brains. So your brain is also the CPU of your body. Okay, so these beings who stole our planet, this is why they reprogrammed the brain. The brain has nothing to do with the mind, the spirit, or the soul. That's the real you. That's your consciousness, right? That's your consciousness. The brain is a physical thing. It's a physical thing. It's a physical organ that can be touched. They can't touch your soul. They can't touch your spirit. They can't touch your mind. So this is why when they took over our planet, by using our ancient technology against us, blowing up our ancient pyramids, cutting down our trees, pushing our second sun out the galaxy, attacking the air, attacking the water, attacking the land, attacking the plants, the animals, attacking us. That's a part of reprogramming us. That's why they got the hospitals. They inject us with the nanobot technology. These nanobots then goes inside our brain and reprograms it and disconnects it and hacks it. It basically hacks the brain. So by a lot of our brains being hacked, this is why it's so hard for us to get on our spiritual journey. This is why it's so hard for so many of us to open up our third eye. Right? This is why you still see goddesses shaking their ass. I'm pretty sure after they still out there shaking their ass all over Instagram. Right? I'm pretty sure you see a lot of our gods still out there participating in violence, even though it's coming to an end. This is why, though. This is why you have Caucasians that are racist. A lot of Caucasians are not racist because they want to be. A lot of them was programmed like this as children because their parents put it in them. And their parents put it in them because their parents put it in them when they was kids. So we have to get past this illusion of division and understand unity. Okay, so a lot of things I'm telling you in this university, I'm basically helping to reprogram your brain, to reset it, to get you to exit the matrix and enter reality. Right? That's why the ancient saying for this university is exit Earth into reality. Because when you come in here, you exit in Earth, and then you're going to enter reality. Right? Once again, I am Morpheus, and all of you are Neo. I'm here to give you these red pills or these blue pills, whichever one you want. It's up to you. But I say all that to say, this is why a lot of individuals don't understand that these whales are nomos. They are an extraterrestrial race. Elephants too, but I'll expound on that in a separate lecture. We talk about the nomos right now. We're talking about the orcas. So, since these beings have invaded our planet, we're talking about Satan and the fallen, those that were cast out the heavens, the same individuals who they speak to you about in Christianity, in Catholicism, in Islam, Buddhism, Judaism, all throughout every religion, all throughout every ancient civilization speaks about this war that broke out between the gods. No matter where you go, no matter what, I'm a historian, so I go also and study these other stories that are given about these civilizations, and they all have the same creation story with this war that broke out between the gods. So that war plays a role in why these nomos are here. Remember, their planet got blew up when the war kicked off. The fallen angels try to take over the heavens, but what they don't tell you about is how many planets they destroyed while doing that, how many cosmic planes they disrupt.